Hey guys, what's going on? This is Eric Garcia for AOC1, 1311 term. In this video I'm going to give you a brief overview of our Project 3 review. As you can see here, we're looking at the view controller implementation file, and I'll just go ahead and show you what the application does now running in the simulator. As you can see, we have the first pop-up is the appended string. This is the first string, this is the second string. And it's asking is 10 equal to 10. The two numbers are equal, and here you got 5 plus 4 equals 9. That's all fine and dandy. Just to show you that it is running dynamically, if we just throw in a couple different numbers here for int 1 and 2 as well as the bool value, we can change this to 20 and we can go ahead and run that again. And as you can see, I didn't change anything with the strings, but as you can see here now it says is 20 equal to 10, and the two numbers are not equal, whereas 50 plus 40 would equal the number 90. So how I kind of got that functionality and splitting up as much as I could into different functions, when I created the display alert function, I actually took two parameters, one for the title and one for the actual message, so that way I can make each title a little bit more pertinent to what the function was actually doing. Furthermore, I think looking at Objective-C compared to what we've learned in the past with JavaScript and everything, it actually seems to be a lot more, I guess, code intense. There's a lot more logic and stuff like that you have to write to do basically the same thing that would take, I guess, fewer lines of code with JavaScript, but it kind of seems right. It feels right, creating the objects the way they are, keeping them kind of separate rather than having it basically all together. With that, I'm going to break away and show you the app running on the iPad. Alright, a few things that I could have done a little bit better. I kind of went along with what Wendy was showing in the demonstration videos, and pretty much every time I created an object I threw it in an if check. Like as you can see here, I created this bool string, and if it's not nil, then we'll go ahead and execute some code. I think that's a little overkill, but it's good for the purposes of learning to make sure we're doing everything correct, and if not, it doesn't just completely break and we don't know what's going on. We can kind of troubleshoot it a little bit faster, but I think overall the code could be cleaned up a little bit and maybe a little bit more well organized. I got plenty of comments explaining what everything is, so it shouldn't be too hard to do that. Hey guys, so here we are on the iPad. I'm going to go ahead and run this from Xcode to launch on the iPad. If you give it a second to build. Alright, so here we are at build. As you can see, the first thing is the appended string. Tap OK, and then you have is 20 equal to 40. They're not equal. And those two numbers added together is the number 40, or 90 rather, sorry. And that is the simple app. Overall, I think it's been a great week, and I look forward to week 4. Good luck, everyone. Take care.